IFS just completed a survey on this exact topic. We asked over 800 executives of organizations around the world what was their primary drivers or reasons for investing in technology going forward. And overwhelmingly, they all said the same thing: AI and emerging technologies. But it wasn't just technology or investment in technology for technology's sake. They were looking to take advantage of these new emerging technologies to drive forward their strategic goals and imperatives. Things like their end-to-end asset lifecycle management strategies, optimizing and extending their workforce management resources, as well as their sustainability goals.
Utilities are focused on predictive maintenance because of all of the weather events and catastrophes that are happening around the world. The number of billion-dollar-plus events around the world are accelerating every year. In fact, I was recently in Florida just after one of the hurricanes occurred, and I could see how mutual aid crews were coming in from our customers to help one another in responding. But in preventing and in planning for these events, you need solutions such as the IFS recent acquisition of Copperleaf Asset Investment Planning. This solution allows you to combine all of the three main categories: assets, people, and your ESG standards. You could create a common value-based framework, and you can decide which areas to invest more, which areas to delay or stop investing, and then also how to find that right balance between the regulatory, the community, and the reliability and resiliency that you've come to depend on from a utility. These areas are critical for the future, and now, today, IFS is able to offer strategic, tactical, and operational solutions together due to the acquisition of the Copperleaf Asset Investment Planning solution.
The demand for energy resources is growing exponentially, and the utility and the infrastructure of today simply can't keep pace with the demand of tomorrow. And that goes true with the customer engagement as well. So the utilities are really looking to have a more flexible model, being able to bring on additional capacity to meet the expected and forecasted demand. And that requires a different working relationship or engagement with the customer base, whether that's supporting and deploying solar panels and some renewable resources and having that two-way energy grid. But it also goes to communications. So being able to not just have a reach out to send a bill or an energy audit to a customer, but opening up channels inbound to the organization as well, whether that's community outreach programs, getting feedback surveys, new portals, new ways for the customer to give their feedback and their needs of the energy grid in the future back to the organization so that they can really collaborate and grow together.
Utilities are very much interested in the same topics that consumers are interested in talking about, which is all about AI, but applying it, as you said, to an industrial use case. So industrial AI at IFS is compartmentalized into 6 different areas. There is, of course, Gen AI, such as Copilot, being able to auto-generate for example, an invoice based on a work order, but also anomaly detection. So both our partners and ourselves have anomaly detection AI. And then there is predictive scheduling, where you can not only look at the scheduling that you have in front of you, but also be looking forward and learn from events in the past and from events that are taking place today.
Organizations are really looking to take advantage of things like demand forecasting, both on the grid load, but also in their resource utilization. So being able to use AI and emerging technologies to be able to see where is the load and the demand for services going to come from, and then be able to use that to simulate and forecast where they need to stage resources and respond to that demand.
So please come and learn more about industrial AI from IFS.